Well, good morning, YouTube. This morning I'm out in my garden and I'm getting ready for the next growing season, which is today is January 16th, I believe, and I'm gonna mulch up the leaves. I should have done this at the end of the growing season, but really my growing season hasn't ended yet. I harvested collards the other day. I showed you guys a video on that. I've got lettuces. I got different stuff still growing. So what I've decided to do is go ahead and eliminate that stuff, most of it, and put leaves from the yard and in my neighbor's yard over here. He's not going to shoot me for stealing his leaves. I'm going to show you guys how to mulch them up inside your garden bed without having to use a lawnmower. Compost is a long process, and you want to break the stuff up as fine as you can, and getting a lawnmower in there is next to impossible, especially in a raised bed with chicken wire surrounding it so that the rabbits and the squirrels and all that stuff don't get into your garden beds eating your crops. So today I'm going to show you guys just how to do that with a weed eater. Stay tuned, guys. Some things you are going to need are some eyeglasses, and I would recommend that you use one of these. You don't have to, of course. Safety is your responsibility. So I would suggest it. I did this a couple weeks ago with a batch of leaves in the garden beds, and stuff flew up in my eyes. I had to get these things. So I would definitely recommend eyeglasses and a respirator. First thing you want to do is pile up the leaves in your garden beds like that. I've got these ones piled up like this in big piles, high piles. That would spread out a little more, but these over here, I don't know if you can tell really, but they're higher piles. And I'm gonna munch up all these leaves in here to help compost the soil and get it ready to put my seeds in a couple weeks. I forgot my eyeglasses in my vest. Need those things. Pretty sure you guys get the point after that. But now what you want to do is take your rake. If you've got a raised bed garden like this, if you don't, I would suggest it. You know, you can't control what little critters do with your garden, so this will help you out, keeping your stuff safe. Anyway, what you want to do now, you want to take your rake now and just kind of even the stuff out. This is what it looks like now. I don't know how well you can see that, but they're definitely munched up now. 6 foot by 11 foot bed, and usually it's my watermelon, cantaloupe, and honeydew bed, but I've decided this year that that's just too much for one bed this size. All three of those like a lot of room. This year I'm going to build some long beds right here, going all the way across here up to the grill right there. Cloudy and dreary looking. We're supposed to get a real bad storm. That's why I'm trying to get this done right now. But these are my beds: 5 by 12, 6 by 11, 6 by 6. I think this is a 6 by 10. This is a 6 by 10, and this is a 6 by 10 as well. And then it by 8, something like that, 6 by 8. And then this bed, I'm not sure what it wound up being either. I think it was another 6 by 10, or no, this is a 5 by 11, I think. That's not really important. I just wanted to show you guys that this is possible. If I can do it, then you can do it. These beds have been a real blessing to us. We get fresh fruit and vegetables all season long, and it turns out I'm starting to learn more about gardening, and I can grow things like lettuces and the collards. I'm sure there's other things that I can grow too in the wintertime, but to get an all year harvest, this garden's done really well for us. So it's really important that I provide back the nutrients it needs, the soil needs, and worms and all that back to it. Show my appreciation. You guys get the point in this whole video. Is I'm just trying to show you guys it is possible to do gardening. Anyone can do it. It is a lot of work. I'm gonna be straight up with you. It is a lot of work, but it's so worth it, guys. You don't have to worry about salmonella. You don't have to worry about E. coli kind of threat. This is all in your garden. It's in your power. If I can do it, then you can do it. So please subscribe to my channel. Like this video if it helped you, or if it didn't help you, and you just like how I do things or dislike how I do things, please make a comment below. I would greatly appreciate that, guys. I'm really wanting to do something with this YouTube thing, so if you would help me in bettering my channel, bettering my content, bettering everything that I do, I would greatly appreciate that, okay, guys? I'm not easily offended, so lay it on me. You guys, God bless you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you. This is the garden bed after it's been mulched. Leaves chopped up into mulch, like a compost. Now this is going to be a layer of the leaves, and then I'm going to put also I got a compost pile that I will show you guys in a later video, because I'm going to flip it and work it, and I'm going to put that on top of this. And this is what this is going to do, is attract worms and all the good stuff for the plants to be planted in a couple weeks. I've got 8 raised beds, and I just showed you this one because it's the smallest and the simplest to show you guys. It's the same concept with them all.